time to react. It's time to react. It's time to react. Hey, man. It's your boy Long Beach Joe. I'm back, and it's time to react. Listen, please give the video a thumbs up, all right? Share the video as well with your social media, across with your friends and your family. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so when I post content, y'all be in the know. Get in those comments. Let me know where you're from. I got people watching me from different places, different spaces, and I appreciate all of y'all. Also, as well, hit the description. There's a link tree. Links to my social media, links to other YouTube pages. Get involved in all of that stuff, man. And please subscribe to the other YouTube channels that I have as well on the platform. Now it's time to get into it, man. Listen, there's a lot of idiots on the road, man. You know, weather's changing. It's hot outside. Summer's here. And people is driving all over the place trying to floss. You got to watch out. You know what I'm saying? You got to be aware. A lot of crazy drivers are there. A lot of idiots on the road out there. All right. So we about to watch them, folks, do some weird stuff on the road. So sit down with your favorite beverage. Sit down with your favorite snack. It's your boy Long Beach Joe. It's time to react. Let's get to the content. Oh, they on them things. Whoa. On the four-wheelers. Whoa, he just lost it. Yo, that thing is still gassing up. Oh, my God. Bro, what the? Oh, right into the pole. Yo, look out, look out. Oh. Bro, what the hell? Yo, this is why right here. Bro, let me tell you something. You will never catch your boy Long Beach Joe on a four-wheeler, a crotch rocket, nothing like that, bro. Nothing like that. And this is why, bro. I never want to have this happen to me, bro. Never. Look at this. He trying to pull some tricks right here. You know what I'm saying? Try to pull a trick, lost it. That's bad enough, right? You done lost it. You trying to run after and chase it, and then it's still gassing. It's still gassing. Bang into a light pole. Then your man right here almost lose it. He gassing up. He almost losing his damn self. Whoa. That's wild, man. I'm glad nobody got hurt in that one, man. I'm glad nobody got hurt. That guy on the yellow could have definitely gotten hurt. Whoa. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. What the hell? He just smacked straight into the cart with the horse. How did you not see that? He just moseying right on along, bruh. And just bang right into the man with the horse in the cart. Oh my goodness, I hope everybody's all right, man. Wow. Hope everybody's all right. I hope everybody's all right from that accident. That's crazy. Oh my goodness, trucker loses the wheel? Bro, that is wild. Thank goodness he was able to pull that over and didn't lose control. Whoa. Oh, he got a lot of weight on that thing. You just saw the sparks come from that. Damn. He got that wagon on it too. That was heavy. Okay, them low rider. Oh, no. I love me a low rider. That thing is going up. Bruh, get up out of there. Get away from that car, bruh. Yeah, it's done. Damn. Look at the bruh. Man, I love low riders, man. Oh, that sucks to see this car go up like this. Damn. Whoa. Bruh. How did you not see that? He just stopped in the middle of the road. He stopped to let that guy go around, man. Damn. He got thrown up out of there. People is crazy on the road. What the hell? What in the world? Lady on the throttle took her away. They trying to celebrate their love. They're She hit the accelerator on a boat and it took her away. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, dang, the girl on the dock almost got knocked off. Whoa. Bruh, what in the world? Yeah, he losing control like crazy. Oh, this is a recipe. This is bad news. Little man, get your foot off that, little man. Get your foot off that. Oh. Yo, you gotta be careful with kids, man. Whoever was filming this, come on now. You know what I'm saying? This little kid don't know no better. I'm glad that he wasn't hurt or nothing. Little man steered that straight into the gate. I'm glad he wasn't hurt, but, you know, you got to be careful with these kids. Come on now. Bro, there's nobody in there. He pulling his smack straight into the gate. Oh, my goodness. Damn. He just ran right into another. Just ran right into the pole right there. Hell had him all confused. Uh-oh. Another one on the forward wheeler. Okay, she doing them donuts. Better be careful. Better be real careful. Ooh.
Tanggal na. Ay, nako. Log na tayo.
What is going on with this man? Uh-oh. This does not look good. This does not look good. Oh, no. Oh, no. He pulled the whole cab off. Oh, my goodness. This is wild. What in the hell? The whole cab was... He pulled the whole thing out of there and smacked right into the trailer. Oh, my goodness. What are you thinking? What are they doing? They just smacking into each other and running. What? Why is that man running after the car in that manner? Oh, these dudes is crazy. Oh, they just banging cars around for fun. This is wild. Just trashing cars. Them bystanders better look out. You can end up getting hit like that. Bruh. Is he gonna make it? That looks like that would waterlog yo. Yeah, he getting taken away. He ain't gonna make it. That Jeep looked like it did, but he ain't gonna make it. This pickup ain't gonna make it. It's a done deal. Why would you even try something like that though? Look how strong. Look how strong this current is. It's just taking him. That water is not gonna let you. Nah. Come on, bruh. What would even make you think that you can get past that? I wouldn't even try nothing like this. Oh, that's going to be expensive. Your engine is done. That Jeep was lucky to get across. That Jeep was very lucky to get across. That water is moving. He going to get up out of it? He got up out of there? Yo, salutes. I thought he was done for. Look at this. The current's taking him. I thought he was finished. I thought his engine was finished. I guess it pushed him into some land that it was able to catch on. Wow. Wow. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh, it's overloaded, bruh. Way overloaded. Oh my goodness. Bruh. I don't know if he gonna get up out of this one. Come on now. Can he get up out of there? I don't know, brother. That's stupid dangerous. Oh, damn. Woo. That's a tough one. Bruh. That's wild, bruh. Bro, why? Why try to cross something like that that's flooded? The water is moving like that, man. I know some people feel like your car is going to make it, but bruh, come on. Look at this. From the jump. From the jump. Look at how submerged the vehicle is. It's like right up to basically your doors. Oh. I hope they got out all right. I hope they got out all right. I hate to see somebody get stuck like that, trapped in vehicles like that, with the water running like that. Oh. Oh, this is flip. Oh, done. Damn. Overloaded. Know your limits. Know your weight limits. Oh, this man running from the policia. He tried to get up out of here. Y'all ain't going nowhere. Swim as fast as you can. They more than likely gonna catch them. Bruh. They got the truck in there. Uh-oh. They getting around. Oh, he flipped it. Ugh. That's a tough one right there. Oh my goodness. Damn, he jacked the whole thing up there. Ooh, he flipped the whole thing over. He flipped the whole heavy equipment straight over. Damn. Oh no. Ooh. I hope that guy's all right. Get up out of there. I hope he got up out of there, man. That's crazy. Yo, that tractor just ripped everything. Whoa. What was that tractor thinking? That plane is coming around. Bang. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bruh, that is wild. Wild. He turned way too quick. Flipped it all around. Ooh, my goodness gracious. And it's going to keep rolling. I hope that man's okay, bruh. That was crazy. Oh, my goodness. They getting through that water. Bruh. They got to build a bridge. The car dead stopped, yo. The car dead stopped right there, yo. It's wild, man. On these roads, we seeing crazy stuff out here. Crazy stuff. Man, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video as well with your friends and your family across your social media. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yo, be careful on these roads. People be wildin', bruh. It's your boy Long Beach Joe. I'm out.